Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to adjust opacity of image in your DaVinci Resolve. You can see here this is my video file and this is my video footage. I'm going to add a copyright symbol on this image. I'm adding my channel logo to here to protect my video. So actually I'm not doing this, but for a tutorial purpose I'm doing this. Open my file manager or my computer application, folder application, and here is my image. I'm taking this white one and give some space here and drag and drop to the second video tab. You can see here tab is here and I click this one at the center and simply click here transform option. You can see that transform and just adjust these things like this, and you can see now it is transparency is opacity is 100%, and going to inspector element agent, click the image and go to here. Then you can see there is so many options, and under the composite option you can see here opacity is 100%. You can simply adjust this opacity. Okay, you can see this, I'm doing this. So in this way you can simply adjust how much you need. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.